In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under inflation deflation. So guys, this video will be an introduction to inflation deflation. We have 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says dash is presently used in Nigeria to measure inflation. We have wholesale price index, consumer price index, real gross domestic product, GMP, implicit price deflector. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is consumer price index. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the price index is calculated as current price over base price times 100 over 1. That's the right answer, guys. Take notes of this. Very, very important. Next question is this one. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. So we have the deflationary gap is defined by, so the right answer is option B, which is K. This K is used to represent or define deflationary gap, whereas this X is for inflationary gap. Okay, next question is this one. It says if inflation is anticipated, people may spend less money, spend more money, give out more loans, save more money. The right answer is option B, spend more money. Very important. The next question is this one. It says inflation that is usually associated with periods of trade boom is we have stagnation, creeping inflation, cost push inflation, demand pull inflation. The right answer is option D, which is demand pull inflation. Next question is this one. It says if the increase in the price of yam is used to estimate the inflation rate, this is an example of inductive reasoning, positive reasoning, normative reasoning, deductive reasoning. The right answer is option A, which is inductive reasoning. Okay, the next question, which is the last one, is this one. It says what does X represent? So I think I've already talked about this. X here represents inflationary gap, okay, whereas the K here represents deflationary gap. So this basically you can do with problems under intro to inflation deflation for your JAMB economics. We practice with 7 repeated questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more of these videos, like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. I'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.